Welcome this video title Transforming Your Space Cotton Indoor Idea Patio of Ultimate Comfort and Style. Introducing Create a choosy and stylish indoor patio is a fantastic way to bring the outdoor inside, provide a tranquil retreat within the comfort of your home. One key element to enhance the ambience of your indoor patio is the use of curtain. Indoor patio curtain not only often provide but also contribute to the overall aesthetic appeal of the space. We explored a various of indoor patio cottage idea that blend functionally with style, help of transforming your space into a hub of comfort and beauty. Sheer elegance. Sheer cotton are a timeless choice of indoor patio add an ethereal and elegant touch of the space, other of high weight fabric like lan or voile to allow natural light to filter through, while main interest are seen of provide share cottage create a soft and busy atmosphere. Mark theme perfect of sunroom or indoor patio with abundant natural lights. Bamboo base for a touch of explore charm. Consider bamboo cards that natural and eco friends cottage not only add textile to your indoor patio but also allow of getting versatile bamboo cottage are not excellent choice if you want to create a tropical or main inspired retreat. Then provide a preface balance between private and an open air feel. Roman shaved for a classic look. Roman shave are a classic and versatile other for indoor patio cottage available in a various of Arabic and patio Roman shape can be customized to complement your interior design when rate then need allow for to enjoy an unobstructed view while then lower then provide privacy and protector for the sun. This timeless window treatment effectively carbon certifications with functionally outdoor drapery for durability. If your indoor patio open up the outdoor, consider use outdoor durability. Outdoor cottage are scientific design to withstand various weather mark theme idea of space that me excellent to the element choose Arabic that are